All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the new Milwaukee half-inch drive one-key system. All right, the one-key system, in case you guys are not familiar with it, or gals, got to keep the ladies involved, is a Bluetooth-enabled Milwaukee tool. Basically what it does is it pairs to your phone through a Bluetooth connection, allows you to track it, a whole lot of other stuff. But the big thing, especially for the half-inch drive, is it allows you to set custom parameters for torque setting, speed, stuff like that. Lots of very cool stuff. Now one of the reasons why this is important for this kind of gun is it is extremely powerful. Now the one key now has 4 power levels, and you can customize all of them if you want. Now again, it links to your phone, free download. It can track your tool, stuff like that. If your buddy drives off with it, you might be able to find it, but that's really not that exciting for us because we're not on job sites. We're in a shop, so hopefully our tools don't walk off. But what it does allow you to do is it's got 2 predetermined torque levels that are actually to a set torque range. So what that allows you to do is you don't have to use torque sticks. Now, we're going to test it on my truck before everybody starts screaming about, oh, you're testing on a customer's car and you're doing my truck, okay? It's my truck. So if anybody's, studs are getting screwed up, it's this guy's, okay? All right, custom parameters. You can set, the way I've got it is position number 1 is 80 to 130 foot-pounds. Position 2 is 130 to 180 foot-pounds. Basically a car and a truck. Again, we're going to check with a torque wrench on my truck. Lots of cool features with this gun. As far as everything else, it is a standard Gen 2 fuel half-inch drive impact. It's got the beans, as Erico likes to say. It's been great. I've been using it for a while. No issues. It's up to you guys if you want to spend the extra money on the one key. Some guys may think it's worth it. Other guys might think it's a, marketing ploy, but it works. So if it works, it works. All right, one key, position number 1, set up to first torque range, basically most cars. We're going to set the torque wrench to 70 foot-pounds. We're going to see what it does. Clicked easily. So we're going to go ahead and go to 80 foot-pounds. Clicked easily. Oops. We're going to go to 85. It moved there, so basically 85 foot-pounds. Next, we're going to try position number 2, which is the higher torque rating for trucks, SUVs. Obviously it stops. So we're going to start first at 100 foot-pounds. not turn it all there. So we're going to go up to 115. Clicked. 125. Click there. We're going to go ahead and go up to 140. Moved a little bit there. So 135 on the position number 2. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you don't like more power or more control. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.